What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use built-in ruler in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here you will see a edge panels button. So tap on this edge panel button to turn it on, and after turning on this button, tap on panels, and from here make sure you have selected tools panel. Now after selecting tools panel, go back to your home screen and open edge panel. Now swipe across to open the tools panel. So this is the tools panel. So by default it will open the compass, so tap on this three dot more icon to use the ruler. So from this menu, tap on ruler and then it will open the ruler. Now you can use this built-in ruler. So that's how you can use built-in ruler in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.